Continuing to part out my 2008 Chevy Cobalt Sport, and I'm going to be removing the windshield wiper motor assembly, including the plastic cover, windshield wiper transmission. I'm going to remove it all as one unit. There's basically three 10mm bolts holding it on, and you can lift up the cover enough to access that. I do have a windshield wiper puller. It's the same kind of puller that you'd use for a battery terminal, but I want to keep it all as one unit. All right, the first one is by the passenger side windshield wiper. All right, there's the whole assembly, including the motor. And here is the windshield wiper motor assembly with the windshield wiper arms and plastic cover all intact. The washer bottle hose.